Hey everyone, welcome to Izoate. If you want to add a friend or user by using their phone number in Facebook, then this video is for you. For the first step, as usual, searching or using on search bar by tapping their phone number. But this works only 5%. For next step is only for smartphone users. Go to Account Center, then your information, then enable contact uploads. However, this only works if people with your phone number feature is enabled by user you are searching. Third and last, by visiting this link. Go there, enter the mobile number and click this. However, the method only show the profile pic and name of the user, which will useful for searching manually from your Facebook search bar. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload.